Turley, Tulsa International Airport. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma, southern Washington County in northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Pawnee County in northeastern Oklahoma, northern Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northeast of Keystone State Park, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Sand Springs, Keystone State Park, Walnut Creek State Park, Manford, Collinsville, Sperry, Skiatook, Turley, Ramona, Vera, Delaga, Owasso, Tulsa International Airport, Avant, Tulsa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Oklahoma. The severe